Knowing how to turn off, restart, and force restart a Google Pixel 10 is important for fixing minor issues and keeping your phone running smoothly. These simple steps help you manage your device when it becomes unresponsive or when you just need a fresh start. First, let's learn how to access the power options on your Pixel 10. Press the power key and the volume up key together to bring up the menu. You can also swipe down from the top of the screen twice and then tap the power icon at the bottom. Accessing these options is essential because it lets you shut down, restart, or troubleshoot your phone quickly. Now, here's how to turn your Pixel 10 off and back on. From the power options, tap Power Off. To turn it back on, press and hold the power key until the Google logo appears on the screen. Here's how to restart your Pixel 10. Once you're in the power options, simply tap Restart, and your device will reboot automatically. This is often used to refresh the system when apps or features aren't working correctly. Finally, here's how to force restart your Pixel 10. Press and hold both the power key and the volume up key for about 20 seconds. The phone will shut down and then boot back up. Release the keys when the Google logo appears. This method is helpful when the phone freezes or becomes completely unresponsive, as it forces the system to restart without losing your data. With these steps, you now know how to turn off, restart, and force restart a Google Pixel 10. If this video helped you, please give it a like or watch another tutorial for more Pixel 10 tips.